Take your hand, grab onto your wrist. Super easy. Breathe in, breathe out, and just lean and pull with your wrist just like that. That's all you're doing. Breathe in, breathe out, and pull more. And you're going to start feeling all this stretching here. Every time you cough, every time you sneeze, you contract all these muscles around your ribs. And if you don't stretch them, it's going to be less beneficial for you. See what I'm doing? Keep going. Pull your arm and just do it. Go as comfortable as you feel. And when your brain tells you to stop, try for 2 more breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Awesome. Come back up. Grab onto the other side. Breathe in, breathe out. And just gently, this is for you. This is for your body. This is for your energy. Pull over just like that. Breathe in, breathe out, and pull across. One more. Pull and just hold it and enjoy and breathe and then come back up. Okay.